We are now in front of Hotel Royal Signature and we are at the Bukit Bintang street. So today we'll be going from here and all the way to IKEA Cheras. That's the nearest branch here. And it's also connected to my town. How to go there? We'll be going through the MRT station. Let's go. Now over here, you just keep going straight until we see the MRT station. Alright, so we will be actually going here. This is one of the MRT Bukit Station gate. However, just to show you, there are 4 others, which is one over here, and all the rest of the 3 stations are all near that lot 10 green building. Okay, so let's go. So this is Pintu entrance A. Just to let you know, we are nearest to the Jalan Street, which is the food street around here. We are at the beginning. Now let's go down. Alright, we are now at the MRT station. So if you have a touch and go card, or you do need to get your ticket from here, we are going there now. Let's see. Alright, we are now at over here. Okay, so we are not going to platform 2 because there is no Cochrane, which is actually going over here. This is the one. Let's go. We are going to platform 1, which is Kajang section. Go down here. You can show. Platform 1 goes to Cochrane. So now we are waiting for the train. There is a woman coach, and this is the mix, which is a male and a female. So whichever you prefer, you can go. But if you're a woman, this is the only one.
Untuk memenuhi tempat duduk di coach wanita terlebih dahulu. Terima kasih. Station berikutnya, Cochrane. Next station, Cochrane. Tidak pastikan keselamatan anak-anak Anda pada setiap.
Okay, we have arrived at MRT Cochrane. So if you go on the right side, it will go somewhere else. Alright, so we will have to go here, which is going through the MRT shopping center, my town. Okay, once we reach there, then we show you how to go to IKEA. Just keep going straight up the escalator. We have now reached to my town. This level has full of food and also some groceries. So we are going to head up, which you go to your left side and then go to the right for a while. And then turn to the right side here. Now we are going up here. We have now reached the My Town ground floor. As you can see here, there is also Decathlon if you want to go. But since we are going to IKEA, turn left over here, right here. And now, in front of you is the whole IKEA. There are 2 floors. Okay. If you want to go up, how to go up? You go from there. There is a one guy standing right there to go up the escalator or stairs. The food area is on the top, and the showroom is above here, and everything for the IKEA is over here. So this is IKEA Cheras, and second floor is the entrance. Let's have a look. Over there, it's where you can eat, order your food. So everywhere are showrooms. So this is a Swedish restaurant, food court in a way, of IKEA. It's a big place. You can see it. During lunch it will be very full, especially weekend. It's already a long line there. And now we're heading to showroom. Also, when you arrive over there, you see the escalator or stairs. You can go up to the second floor, or you can use a lift.